kids, today we will have a lesson about verbs. Okay, so what is a verb? A verb is a word which describes the action in a sentence, the word that is doing something. So we have an example here. Okay, if you can see the yellow color, okay, we call that one our verbs. So let's read the first sentence. I play football. So remember, when you write sentence, the first letter should be capital and with a full stop. So play is a verb. Okay, it's doing something. So number 2, please skip quickly. Okay, we eat spaghetti. Bob is 7 today. Okay, so these are the example of the verb. So you have skip, okay, run, drive, open, eat, cry, dance, cook, or climb. So all of them are verbs. Okay? So there is a rule, okay, about the verbs. So here, let's move again here. This is from your book, okay, from your Hodder book, page 17. A verb is an action or being word. Every sentence needs a verb. For example, he runs to school. See, she is tall. So runs is a verb, or even though is a verb. Okay, I will explain to you after this. The way the verb is written tells us whether the event in the sentence is happening now or is a present tense. So the present tense, all the verbs, okay, again the present tense is happening now, we call that one our present tense. Okay, so will happens in the future or has happening already is a past tense. Okay, so here we have an example. I skip along the road. So skip is a present tense. Okay, and there's another example. I am hot today. So skip and are present tense. Okay, so I skipped along the road. I was not today. I was hot today is a past tense. So this example, all of them are present tense. So let's find it here. Okay, what are the present and past tense? Okay, we call this one is a verbs to be. Okay, so here we have our present. Okay, so if this is present, what is that? It's happens now or a present tense. Okay, so if we are making sentence, okay, for example, it's happening now, we use this is or okay, but it is already happened, it's a past, we call that one, or we use the word was. Okay, and the next one, if we are making a sentence, okay, using the present tense, we're talking about more than one thing, we use are, but if we already finished or it's already in the past, we use were. Okay, so this is was, are, and were, we call that one our verbs to be. So if you can see this in a sentence, okay, so it means that these words are in the present tense and this word was and were are in the past tense. There is a rule how to add this ed, so it meant it's a past tense. Okay, so the past tense of many verb is formed by adding ed, so we call that one is a regular verbs. So you have jump, okay, your example you add ed. So jump, the black one, is a present tense, but when you add ed, it becomes past tense. Okay, hunt is hunted. Okay, this is the rule how to add in ed. When the verb ends with y, change the y to I and add ed like this. So copy, okay, so we change the y with I and add ed. So this is the rule how to add ed, okay? It's already in past tense. Replied. Replied is from the word reply in the present. So we change the y with I and add ed. When the verb ends in e, drop the e and add ed like this. So hike. So remove the a and add ed in order that you will not be confused. Even to laugh, you drop the a or and add ed. Okay? So there's another rule here. When the verb is one syllable, what are the syllables? For example, pot, drop. Syllable is like, okay, when you say the word is only one syllable, for example, drop, okay, pat, what you are going to do? When the verb is one syllable and ends with a single consonant after a single short sound vowel, double the consonant before adding ed. Okay, so you have pat here, so you need to double the t. This is a consonant, okay, and add ed. The same, we have drop, so you need to double the p and add ed. Okay, so we have an example here. Okay, we have the present tense and we have the past tense here. So here we have skip. Okay, we add, what we do here? We need to double the consonant before add ed. Open, okay, just ed, opened. Cook, cooked. Climb, climbed. Dance, dance. So here, the verb that I use here is the one that I show you from here. Okay? So you have skip, you have skip, add ed, open, dance, cook, and climb. How about the run, eat, cry, and drive? Let's find it. So we have an irregular verbs. Okay? So irregular verb, okay, the past tense is, it's different, okay, it's totally changed when you make it in a past tense. For example, in number 1, run, so if it already happened, it will be run. We have here drive, it will be drove. We have eat, it will be ate. Cry or cries, we will do cried. So we call that one our irregular verb. So irregular verbs, we are not adding ed. Okay? So it's totally changed here if you notice that. Okay? Okay, here too. So this lessons for today, okay,